Hi folks, Brad from Futura again. Today's tutorial is all about how to use your recovery winch. So we're going to start off by moving the cable out the way so we can get to our airline track at the back. Pull the pin out and slide it one across and out she comes. We're going to move to the front left-hand corner, get it all lined up and pop it in. Once the airline track is clipped in, we're going to take our power cable and set it through the designated hole. So now what we're going to do is we're going to plug in our recovery winch. So first we're going to take off the rubber cap off the back of the Anderson plug at the back, take your recovery winch cable and plug it in. Once that's all plugged in, while we're at the front of our trailer, we're going to open the box, turn our trailer on and grab your recovery winch remote. So what we're going to do is turn our winch into manual mode and pull across. The reason why we're going across is because we have a right-hand side tow point on our vehicle. So we're going to take our guide ring, set up into our airline track. So now all we have to do is pull out our winch rope to our vehicle. Once you've got it out to your vehicle, attach it on. Now we're going to turn our winch back into auto mode and turn our remote on. Now we're ready to go.